Here you can see what the homepage looks like, and when you hover over a video, you get a quick preview. Each video has chapters, so you can instantly see how it's split up and jump to the most important parts. Below that, you've got the description and tags, plus the playlist the video belongs to, and you can browse every video inside that playlist. You can also play the full playlist in order, from start to finish. And with Search, you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for, with the most relevant results right to the top. Up here you can open your profile, change your password, log out and check your watch history. And on the home page, you'll find Continue Watching, Trending and Recommended Videos section.